Hello, welcome to Online Verb, and today we're going to talk about email marketing for beginners. Before we jump into that topic, feel free to take a look around my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos that talk about different ways to make money online, as well as different products and software that I use to help me in my online business. All right, let's jump into this. So we're talking about essentially creating a email sales funnel, and this is a graphical representation of kind of a simple email funnel. And basically what you're doing is just sending traffic to a squeeze page or an email opt-in page. That's where people provide their email address. And then you can have a couple upsell offers after that to try to make a little money right away. That's a great time to present upsell offers. If you don't have these, that's not, a deal breaker. And then you set up automated email messages that are sent out automatically, and these promote different products where you can earn a commission if a sale is made. So really the great thing about email marketing in this fashion is you really only have one thing that you need to do, and that one thing is send traffic to your squeeze page. And then the rest of this funnel is automated. It just happens in the background. And what you can do is just load up literally dozens or hundreds of follow-up emails that'll just get sent out automatically for weeks and months at a time. And all you do is focus on getting traffic to your squeeze page. All right, so what are you going to need to do this? You will need an email autoresponder, and I recommend either Aweber or GetResponse. They both have free plans that you can start with, and then their pricing is very similar. Their deliverability is very similar. Functionally, I tend to like Aweber a little better, but I've used GetResponse, and they both work well. I'll leave links for those in the description box down below if you want to take a look at those. Next, you're going to need an email opt-in page to send people to. And what I recommend for that is to go and join something called ListInfinity. ListInfinity is, like it says, a viral list building system, and it does have an option where you can earn 100% commissions if you want. Okay, so if someone decides that they want to start ListInfinity at $10, then you get paid $10, 100% of that. And if they upgrade to Pro, then you get paid $100 of that if you have a Pro account with ListInfinity. But you can start for free. And I'll leave a link again in the description box below. And when you get your ListInfinity account set up, they provide you with these lead capture pages. You actually get 14 of them. So these are your email opt-in or squeeze pages. And so this is your squeeze page or email opt-in. They host it for you. They actually look very nice. They're very well done. In ListInfinity, they show you how to connect it to your Aweber or GetResponse account, and that's why I recommend that, because those are the ones supported in ListInfinity. And it's a great way to send traffic to these opt-in pages. You can see there's lots of different styles, so pick the ones you want, send traffic to different ones, see which ones convert best, etc. And then ListInfinity, again, you can use this all for free. So you don't need to join at a paid level, but if you choose to, you can join at their $10 level. It's just a one-time payment. And then anybody that you send to ListInfinity, they give you the follow-up email series to put in Aweber or GetResponse that promotes ListInfinity. And so if you join at the $10 starter level, then if anybody else joins at the $10 level, you'll make that 100% commission directly to you. You don't share that with anybody. And the other beauty with ListInfinity is it's just a one-time payment. So you either pay $10 for the starter one time, or you pay $100 for the Pro account one time, and that's it. No monthly payments, etc. And you make 100% commissions going forward. So it's a really great system, but you certainly can get started for free and get access to all these different opt-in pages. Now, after the opt-in pages, you're going to need to have follow-up emails, right? Again, you can have upsells. These are optional, so I'm not really going to address those in this video, but you need to have these follow-up emails. Now, when you get your ListInfinity account, they actually do, in the system setup, they provide 30 days of follow-up emails. So there's 30 of them right there. And then I'm going to show you how you can get done-for-you, pre-written high converting emails that you can just start to plop into your Aweber or GetResponse autoresponder, and so that these messages will go out automatically. Okay, I buy a lot of my done for you emails from someone named Lee Murray. He has a really great writing style. It's very engaging. It's entertaining, and so they convert very well. And that's who I get my emails from. And so I'll leave links for him down below. And he's got lots of different done-for-you email packs where you can buy 30 days worth of emails in advance. So this one he calls his recurring income commission kit, because the emails are going to promote these different products that, you know, pay recurring commissions every month. Okay, and so that's what this one is. Again, you get 30 done-for-you email series, you know, $13, and they're all basically priced at $13. This is his high ticket kit. This promotes just high ticket, you know, where you might earn commissions of $500 or $1,000. So again, you get another 30 emails. And this one, he's got another one that's a traffic kit. So everybody online needs traffic, right? And so these follow-up emails promote traffic products. Okay, and again, 30 emails for $13. He's got another one. These are emails that promote products that pay you 100% commissions if sales are made. So all of these products that are promoted, and what you see in the screenshots, is they pay out 100% commissions throughout the entire sales funnel, not just on the front end, but throughout the entire sales funnel. And so these emails promote these products that that provide 100% commissions to you if a sale is made. And then one last one, and he's got several others. I pulled up just, you know, a few of them to give you examples. This last done for you email series promotes high converting ClickBank products in the make money online niche. And so you can see these products that are promoted. And again, it's another 30 days worth of follow-up emails for $13. So that's really as simple as it is. Now, the big question, you know, in everyone's mind is going to be, how do I get traffic to the squeeze page? Because that's really your only job, you know. Once you upload the follow-up emails into your autoresponder, and if you go through and buy, you know, all these kits I'm talking to you about, here's 30 days, here's another 30, so that's 60, here's 90, 120, 150. So you'd have 150 days, you know, almost 6 months worth of follow-up. Well, then Less Than Finished another 30, so 180 days. So you'd have 6 months worth of automated email messages going out automatically. And so all you worry about is getting traffic to your squeeze page. Well, for me, one of the best sources of traffic is through social media if you want. But if you want to do paid traffic, then I recommend getting solo ads from a website called Udemy. Udemy is a solo ad marketplace where you can find sellers and buy solo ad traffic. And so solo ads are where these people have large email lists, and they basically send an email on your behalf to their email list, and then you'll get people that opt into your email list that will opt into your opt-in page and join your list inside of Aweber or GetResponse, and will start automatically receiving the follow-up email. So Udemy is great. One of the things I like about it is you can see exactly you know, the reviews, so they get rated after. You can see if they provide sales. They have really good click filtering, so you're getting quality traffic and not fake traffic. So Udemy is great as well. And so I'll leave links for all of this down below, links for Listinfinity, Aweber, GetResponse, the Done For You email series from Lee Murray, a link to Udemy. I'll leave it all down below. Oh, one last thing I did want to mention that I almost forgot is, if you're new to email marketing, you're not really sure, you know, how to do it, or would like some quality training, then I do recommend this product called Email on Fire. Okay, this is from Kevin Fahey. He's you know, big time email marketer, does a great job, and it's a really, really good course that teaches you the basics of email marketing, but also some advanced techniques that'll really, really help with your email marketing business and your conversions. So I'll leave a link for this as well. So I hope you found this helpful to get started. Certainly reach out with any questions that you have. And also, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if I can help in any way, leave me a comment down below. And please subscribe if you haven't yet, so that you can get updates for new videos as they come out. Thanks so much for watching.